So you probably noticed that since some of those videos have been done, like the Flexbox and stuff like that, you're going, okay, the website looks a heck of a lot different. It does. It keeps changing because I am teaching myself stuff as we go along here, and when I'm confident enough, I'm delivering it to you to have a look at. So this is the latest instalment of the Coding Australia website. It does its usual things, so it resizes itself like it always has, and it gets down about the size of an iPhone, which is about that big, and it adds this nice little feature, which is it actually resizes itself, and it's got lots of little things happening here which you can go through. So what we'll do is we're going to build this website, and to do that we're going to use a template which you may find in here somewhere, although I think you'll probably find that it's actually in here somewhere. So I got it from there. I got the template from there, and you can do the same thing. So you can watch these videos, or if you think you're confident enough, you can just go ahead and build your own. But I must show you that what you get here is in HTML. What we'll do in the end is it'll be written in PHP, and you'll see why. Alright, so let's go back to where we were. This is pretty much what I started with, and this is the code that I got to do it. Alright, and you can go and get that. You'll find that code. You'll find it fairly similar. And the good thing about it is that what you'll also notice is not much code there, but there's a fair bit going on. And the reason that there's a fair bit going on is that you have style and JavaScripts, and all the action takes place in those libraries. Now, if you want to go and have a look at some of this stuff, you can, but I'll just give you a quick rundown on, if you want to wade your way through a Bootstrap JavaScript file, be my guest. This is what it looks like, just so that you know what you're looking at. This is what you've got. So enjoy. As you can see, some dedicated souls, and they tell you up the top here, so it's reasonably up to speed. What's going on, and if you want to go and wise up on Bootstrap, then go for it. And one day, if I've got nothing better to do, I might as well. But right now, that what we're doing is we're working on this particular one, and I have made a couple of small changes. So this doesn't look exactly, it's pretty close, it doesn't look exactly what you get when you download the template. I put that in. I haven't changed this part, but I will. These are pretty much the same, so they don't go anywhere though. So this one's got some drop downs. This one has this very similar look, as you can see. It's got drop downs as well, but it's got drop downs everywhere. Alright, so that's where we're heading. The Scratch one's got drop downs as well. A lot of what's already on the site, things like this. And I just basically took the notes that were on the old website in the middle of each of those pages in the previous Coding Australia website, and just dropped them in here and fixed them up a little bit and put my acknowledgement down the bottom. So this is where we're heading.